Welcome to our 10-minute beginner cardio workout. Burn fat and boost energy. This workout is designed to help you get in shape, increase your fitness level, and burn calories. Whether you're new to exercise or looking for a quick cardio session, this routine is perfect for you. Get ready to sweat and have fun as we guide you through a series of heart-pumping exercises that require no equipment. Let's get started. Jumping jacks. Our first exercise is jumping jacks. Start by standing with your feet together and arms resting comfortably at your sides. Jump your feet out wider than hip width apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Then, jump back to the starting position. Repeat this exercise for 1 minute, focusing on your form and breathing. High knees. Next up, we have high knees. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Begin jogging in place while lifting your knees up towards your chest as high as you can. Pump your arms back and forth in rhythm with your knees. Aim to keep a fast pace while maintaining good form. Continue this exercise for 1 minute, feeling your heart rate increase. Squat jumps. Let's continue with squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Lower yourself into a squat position by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Explosively jump up, extending your arms overhead. Land softly back into the squat position and immediately explode up again. Repeat this exercise for 1 minute, feeling your leg muscles working. Mountain climbers. Now, we'll move into mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders, arms extended. Engage your core and bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, alternating the movements. Keep a steady pace and focus on your breathing as you perform this exercise for 1 minute. Burpees. Our final exercise is a classic, burpees. Begin in a standing position with your feet hip width apart. Drop down into a squat, place your hands on the floor in front of you, and kick your legs back into a plank position. Quickly lower your chest to the ground, do a push-up, then jump your feet back up towards your hands. Stand up and jump vertically, reaching your arms overhead. Repeat this exercise for 1 minute, challenging yourself to maintain a steady pace. Congratulations on completing our 10-minute beginner cardio workout. Burn fat and boost energy. Now it's time to cool down and stretch. Take a few minutes to walk around and gradually bring your heart rate back to normal. Perform some gentle stretching exercises, focusing on your legs, arms, and back. Remember to drink plenty of water to rehydrate your body after the workout. We hope you enjoyed this beginner cardio workout and feel energized. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate this routine into your weekly fitness schedule and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you progress. Stay motivated and have fun on your fitness journey. Thanks for joining us.